currently it's 4:45. I came back from school and then I had that food just now, and got me boba. This is my order. I got 生椰杨枝甘露, where it's basically coconut milk and 杨枝甘露. But yeah, I have to pack. It's 2 days. I leave in 2 days. Guys, so I don't know if this is focused or not. I can never tell. So for jewelry, right? Most of it, it's basically I don't really do necklaces anymore. I'm not that type of girl. So for earrings, I'm just gonna bring I'm bringing 2 pairs plus my extra, the ones that got on right now, which are these basic hoops that we've got on, tiny ones. And then the other ones that I also have are these bigger hoops, and they're just the same but bigger. And they look like this. I've got these hoops that I'm gonna put in here. And then I also have some gold ones, and they're more dainty and pretty. And they look like this. Yeah. And then obviously I'm bringing my stack of beaded bracelets, and then my other blue stack of beaded bracelets. So that's that. That's my jewelry. So I have jewelry, skincare, makeup all done.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long.
It's not focusing. I think this is what storage space is. True. I know I'm not same. I'm just outside of it. Guys, currently we're in math. We're supposed to be in math, but we're in design. So, and they're playing Kahoot on K-pop with grade 7s. False. I know it. It's false. Are you In a minute. I'm gonna need a. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, we're gonna do what's it called? Disney Classics. So watch us. Watch.
I think we're gonna get
4th place. 4th.
number 1.
Yeah, I think I'll be like. No, but like realistically.
100.
Trust guys.
Alright, last one.
Should we do grade 11? On top? Oh, the emoji.
Yeah.
so cute.
Guys, a quick game is a good game. Come on.
Skip.
Say anything. It's a game.
I also watched Monster yesterday. Bro. Oh, two something.
We won! A few English songs.
Oh, it's really zoomed
I've
in.
never been the same.
Guys, we're in the music room, and now, oh, wait, can I show the vlog?
Oh, sorry.
We're gonna show, my friend made a, hold up, focus please. We got, she made a pin for me that has my face on it.
I also got some.
Yes.
Oh, I also know Mamma Mia. I'm Chinese, and I don't like to share my music. So whenever you ask me like, what music do you know, I'm going to say, I don't know what I know.
Suddenly, I just don't know any music.
I don't want music.
Yeah.
What's music?
Like I have around 200 songs in my English playlist, but whenever you ask, I'm like, I don't know.
Final assembly of the school year and the last day of school.
We want to take this opportunity to give our
Guys, currently, what time is it?
It's 3:22.
I don't know if you can see, but it's 3:22. Yes, and we are out of here. I'm so hot. Oh, look at them lovebirds. Dang, that's so sad. How do you feel?
I feel unreal. I don't feel like it's the last day of school.
Yeah.
I'm going to return and be a senior. Weird and sad.
Very
Also
sad.
happy.
Oh. Bye. Bye, Pookie.
Me?
Yeah, you're going that way.
Like an ocean, I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. Yeah. No way to change our yesterday.
I came back home. I started packing a little bit. Not started packing. I packed a little bit more. But this is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with this journey. of me literally being in junior year. Like, what the heck? I only have 1 more year to go for my senior year, and I'm gonna be out of here, guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching me being in my last few days of junior year and me filming my whole journey as a student in grade 11. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And this is literally the end of a singular chapter. And I can't wait for summer diaries. Summer content is coming, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!